Okay, all right. This is activity one of our Microsoft Word section under learning unit number 3. This activity one looks at the use of the ribbon while formatting this Microsoft Word file. What we're going to do, we are going to focus on these highlighted features, fields, ABC Academy, English First Additional Language, Grade 9, test, compression, and language usage. That is where we're starting. What I can tell about all these first few factors is you are expected to first bold and center this text that is there. And in other ways, we're going to use this bold and we'll use this kind of alignment which centers. But we still have 3 distinct texts that we need to format differently. For example, for ABC Academy, we need to use one of the existing heading. It means we come here to heading and we choose heading 1 in there because the question, the example needs it. This should be normal. Yeah, okay. I'm coming now to English First Additional Language. It should be capital letters, big font. Grade 9, capital letters. And then all this one now, which starts with examiner and moderator, where we have the date, the time, and the total for the test, you must insert a left tab, which I've already done that by moving the tab button on the keyboard. That's why they are aligned in there. So the third section, it should be to put automatic numbering to all this text that is there, but remove them because of this arrow. Remove it from section A and section B. Now let's do it practically. Here we said you are going to use one of the existing heading number 1. It should be for the name of the school. Let's do it. Name of the school. And then we are going to put this heading. And then we are going to remove this because we're done with it. And then for English First Additional Language, we must use the capital letters, big font. I'm going to highlight this. It's taking some time. English First Additional Language. How do I format this? It must be capital letters and big font size. How do I change capital letters? I come to the font group and I come to the case. Then I choose the uppercase. All this notice that it has changed. I just need to make it capital letters big. So this, I'm removing it. I'm done with it. What is left is for grade 9. It must be capital letters. Means I'm coming here, highlight the grade 9, come to the same font group and choose uppercase. Nothing much is said about what is left there. So this arrow, I'm also removing it as well. But the big arrow is saying I should bold and center the text. This is what I am doing. I do not want to. Allow me to highlight this without interfering with these arrows. This just tells me what I highlighted there, just to bold and center the text. I'm removing this. I already know that I need to put it bold and put it at the center line. I'm removing this instruction here. Here we go. Choosing this. Selecting it. I must center it and I must bold this. This is what is expected. Then in terms of indenting, I should believe this is done. I've insert a left tab here. Maybe I can just increase by pressing the tab button and then put in there as well. Also for this. But this one, because I'm done, I delete this. At this stage, the major part here, what is left from the instructions, this question paper consists of, I must start by automatic numbering, which means that I am going to highlight this and do the automatic numbering, which is bullet numbering. That is what I did. So I'm removing this big one because I've already done the automatic numbering. I'm now left with removing numbering and indent text. And this is here. I need to remove, it means in terms of the numbering, I need to say none. But I must click the indent because it's removing the numbering and you indent the text. So this one is the indent. Increased it. I can choose also to hit it the second time. Now that I've done this, I can remove this aspect. So this is what I have done and is what is expected of us in this particular activity at Thursday. Thank you.